Latitude and longitude for fifth. Types of locations. A location is a place where something happens or excites. There are two types of location, relative and absolute. Relative location, when the portion of the place is described by stating how it is relative to other places, it is called a relative location. For example, if a friend wants to visit your house, you may describe the location of your house like this. It is to the left of the big mall or just past the park. We can use familiarly landmark and directions such as right, left, straight, ahead to give relative locations. Absolute location. Absolute location tells us the exact position where a place is located on the surface of the earth. Your home address describes the absolute position of your house on the earth. You can also know about the absolute location on your place from a map. An absolute location is description of a place independent of any other places. Locating places on earth. If you look at a globe, you will notice that it is an axis that helps it to spin. The earth also spins on an imaginary axis, which is known as axis on the earth. The two ends of the earth's axis are known as poles. The point on the top is known as North Pole. The point at the bottom is known as South Pole. When you look at a globe or a map, you will notice that there are a number of lines on it. In reality, there are no lines drawn on the Earth's surface. There are imaginary lines drawn on globes and maps. They help us to find out the absolute location of a place on the earth. Let us read about these lines in detail. Latitudes. The line which divides the earth into two equal halves between the North Pole and South Pole, it is called equator. The portion of the earth which stretches from the equator to the North Pole is called the northern hemisphere. On the other hand, the portion of the earth that stretches from the equator to the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere. The imaginary lines in each hemisphere drawn parallelly to the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Since the earth is round, these lines are circular. Latitude are measured in degrees. The equator is at 0 latitude. The value of all the other latitudes followed by the letter N or S. This indicates whether the latitude is in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, respectively. For example, the latitude next to the equator in the north hemisphere is 1 degree north. As we move further northwards, the line of latitude are numbered as 2 north, 3 north, 4 north, and so on. These numbers goes on until we reach 90 degree north, which is in the North Pole. The latitude in the southern hemisphere are numbered in the same way till we reach the South Pole, which is located at 90 degree south. The equator is the longest latitude. It is also known as the Great Circle. As we move northwards or southwards from it, the latitude decreases in size till they are reduced to a dot at poles, important lines of latitude. Apart from the equator and the poles, there are four more important lines of latitude. Tropican of Cancer, 22.5 degree north. Arctic Circle, 66 and half degree north. Tropican of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south. Arctic Circle is 66.5 south, 66 degree on south. There are 181 lines of latitude, 90 lines north of the equator, 90 lines on line south of equator and the equator. Latitude இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தோம். இப்போ longitude பார்க்கலாம். Longitude are imaginary lines which run on the north pole to the south pole. These imaginary lines are also known as meridians. They too are numbered like latitudes. Accordingly to an international agreement, the longitude passing throughout the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in England, United Kingdom, is accepted as 0 degree longitude. It is also called the prime meridian. Or other longitude are drawn to the east and west of the prime meridian. The meridians on longitude to the east of the prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree east up to 180 degree east. Similarly, the meridians of longer to the west of prime meridian are numbered from 1 degree west up to 180 degree west. The prime meridian too divides the earth into two equal parts. The area between 0 longitude and 180 degrees is called the eastern hemisphere, and the area between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree west is called the western hemisphere. However, if you look at the globe, you will realize that 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is known as a 180 degree or the international dateline. The distance between two longitudes is maximum at the equator. The distance decreases as one moves towards the pole where the longitude meets. International dateline. The international dateline has been aborted by an international understanding. It is an imaginary line on and around 180 degree east and west meridian, on which an error of one day across will traveling in east-west directions, a day in gain will traveling from east to west, while a day is lost while traveling from west to east. Grid. On a globe or a map, you will find the longitude and latitude crisscross each other to form a network of lines known as a grid. The point in the grid where latitude and longitude intersect each other is called a coordinate Coordinate helps us to locate any place or point on Earth. Questions. Tick the correct options. The topmost point in the northern hemisphere is dash. Option A, North Pole. Option B, South Pole. Option C, Norway. Option A, North Pole is the answer. The line of latitude which divides the Earth into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere is called the option A, prime meridian. Option B, Arctic Circle. Option C, equator. The answer is option C, equator. The 23.5 degree south parallelly of latitude is also known as option A, Arctic Circle. Option B, Tropican of Cancer. Option C, Tropican of Capricorn. And the answer is option C, Tropic of Capricorn. The 0 degree Celsius longitude is also known as option A, international dateline. Option B, prime meridian. Option C, Arctic Circle. The answer is option B, prime meridian. The 180 longitude is also known as option A, international dateline. Option B, prime meridian. Option C, Tropic of Cancer. Answer is option A, international dateline. Rearrange the jumble words. நான் இப்போ கொஷின் கேட்குறேன், அதுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், TUDELATI. ரிப்பீட். TUDELATI. The correct answer is LATITUDE, latitude. Second one, LONDETUGI. LONDETUGI. The correct answer is LONGITUDE, longitude. Third one, ROTAQUE. ROTAQUE. The correct answer is EGUATOR, equator. EGUATOR, equator. Fourth one, ANDIRIME. ANDIRIME. ME, correct answer is MERIDIAN. MERIDIAN, meridian. For fifth one, easy. RDIG. RDIG. The correct answer is GRID, grid. GRID, grid. இப்போ நான் வந்து படித்த லெசன்ஸில் இதோட கொஷின்ஸ். Thank you.